Let's take a look at the 3 play modes for Cooking Simulator VR that's available natively on the Quest 2 later this week. So this is the first time for me playing this game. We're starting in cooking school just to learn the basics. Cut 4 slices of bread and put them on a plate. So grab that, grab the knife. So let's do this. 1, oh, that's a big slice. 2, 3, no, 4. Lovely. I've done that. Put them on a plate. So 1, 3. Oh, look at that. Oh, how thin is that last slice? What is that? Look at that. I don't need that bit. We've got 4 bits. Right, done. So let's go over to here. Kitchen repair. Select. Oh, this is not. How do I hold this phone? There you go. So choose a repair company. Oh, hold on. Handyman at your service. Oh, hello? Hello? What am I even doing here? Handyman itself. I've got 13 seconds. I don't know what to do. Hello? How do I talk to this man? Oh, okay. Oh, I understand. So he's repairing my kitchen because I've phoned him. It says automatic. So liquid shedding, pour the liquids into the containers in order to prepare special mixture. So let's pour this out. Let's take the cap off. So that's honey. Oh, oh no, I've spilt the honey. Let's reset. 300 ml of honey. This is really runny honey. 100, okay. All right, so let's slow this down a little bit. Yes, he does it. All right, 300 ml of honey. Take the top off. 100 ml of olive oil. Turn on tap and add 200 ml of water. Oh, okay, 500 ml, that'll do. In order to taste the mixture, put your open hand in the pot and then move it to your mouth. Okay. Is that right? Oh, I've just poured it everywhere. Oh, can I taste it off here? Seasoning, there are 3 types of seasoning: liquids, herbs and spices. Let's try to add some flavour to our meats. 3 grams of salt. So you tap the trigger per gram. So that's 3 grams of salt. I want 5 grams of salt. So 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 grams of thyme. Oh no, okay. What's this? Pepper. 5 grams of pepper. Oh, 15 milliliters. Oh, perfect. Okay, remote grabbing. We want to fry meat on both sides. You can turn it around. All right, so let's turn the oven on. Spatula. So slide. I see. So you just click the trigger and it hops on to the spatula. I wish it was that easy in real life. Oh. Oh. Oh, 5 second rule. Does that really exist? 5 seconds. Oh, it's hot. No, it's not hot. These look like potatoes. Yay. And an onion. Are these onions? Yeah. Perfect. And what was the other thing? Put 1 potato and 1 onion onto the plate. Open the fridge and put 1 salmon piece on the plate. Fridge. This must be the fridge. Nope. Salmon. Where's the salmon? There you go. There's the salmon. There's that here. Open the fridge and put 1 salmon piece on the plate. Done. So I've perfected my skills in the kitchen. So now this is career mode. So let's see how far I can progress my career. I'm the manager of this place. Since it's your first day, I'll show you the ropes. Okay, cool. Show me the ropes. Click to continue. 1 baking tray, buy, put that down, 2 big pots, 1, buy, spatula, buy a recipe for baked trout by clicking the highlighted button. So baked trout, there you go. And then unlock tomato soup. Tomato soup, look, free of additives and preservatives. Doesn't look bright at all, does it? Let's buy that. That should do for now. We'll improve our menu once the business gets rolling. Wow, what a menu. This is going to encourage so many people from miles around to come to my restaurant that serves boiled potatoes, salmon, tomato soup and trout. Best we buy all the needed spices now. Dill, dried dill, that's what I'm trying to buy. Yeah, okay. Look at my organisation, look at this. Mastery. Oh, hi, Gordon. Right, we need a trout. Let's find the refrigerator, shall we? Yes, the refrigerator's over here. So let's go and get a trout. Oh, and it's got a green line that shows me where the fridge is. Oh, I wonder which one's trout. No, this one, obviously. So put the trout on the cutting board. So 5 grams of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the trout and put it on the baking tray. Are my hands clean? It's going to get cooked anyway. Baking tray. Let's move this here. Now let's put it into the oven. Here we go, look at that. Is this the oven? Assume it's the oven. Oh, 5-second rule. How do I open the door? This is a bit... Ah, there you go. So let's slide this... Oh! Okay. Right, let's put this in here. Oh, this is a bit clunky. Ah, there you go. Top shelf, in the oven. Shut the door. Turn it on. I better take that out. I've just taken it out. I've got no oven gloves. Hold on. Why is it not letting me? Hold on a sec. Here we go. The mechanics here are a bit odd. So, there you go. We need a lemon. Go and buy a lemon. Okay, buy a lemon. Right, here you go. Lemon, please. Thank you. Now, using the knife, cut them into 4 pieces. Okay. So, this is a terrible cut. Oh, how do I cut this into? Oh, there you go. That'll do. Look at that. Now you cut into 4 even pieces. Yeah, they're pretty even. Yeah, horseradish. 5 grams. Put parsley leaves, 3 parsley leaves on the plate. So 3 parsley leaves. Put these on top of my magnificent creation. Oh, oh, let's put a radio on there, shall we? No. Okay, so 1. Oh, I want to just grab the parsley leaf. There you go. 2. I need a delicate touch. I know that I think there's something you can set where you can do a delicate touch, but it looks like it should be a delicate touch there, but it's not picking it up. Oh, there you go. I'll just have to grab it. Right, 3 parsley leaves. Good, the dish is done. Now you need to serve it. So let's go to, oh, dropped a bit of parsley, throw that back on there. Now let's serve it to my customers. Look at that. Dish to be proud of. There we go, automatically goes in. Come on, what are you going to give me? Overall score 3.5. That's not bad, considering it looked like an absolute disaster. So this is the sandbox mode where everything is unlocked and you can pretty much just run riot in the kitchen. Cooking on gas, cooking on gas. What else can you do? We've got the blowtorch. Okay, so blew the oven up with the gas bottle, inevitably. But that was quite cool. Let's try and do that again. So let's get a couple of these gas bottles, shall we? Oh God. Let's put that in there. Oh, it won't let me to do that. It won't allow me to do that. Lovely. Oh, now there's a fire. Oh God. I'll set light to the whole place. This is not good. Oh, there you go. We've got the sprinkler system. Perfect. Look at that. Professional setup. Well, that was quite fun. So that's obviously set light to the oil on the floor. Now I haven't got an oven, so I can't set light to it. Oh, I can grab the blowtorch. What else can I set light to then? Can you set light to these? Oh, there's another gas bottle there. Oh, I've got a fire extinguisher. Should have used that. How do you actually... Oh, there you go. Oh, that's quite cool. Except there's no fire. Let's create a fire and then try and put it out. Oh, I know. Our last thing that we'll have a go at. Why don't I just set light to this? Will it allow me to do this? Oh, jeez! Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Uh-oh. Right, now, fire extinguisher. Here we go, here we go. Ah, sprinkler system. Beat me to it. I think I've caused enough chaos in this kitchen for today. Whew. That was fun. There is so much that you can do with this game, and you can dive in straight away and interact with everything pretty much intuitively. Unlike me, you just need to remember to read all the tips that are given. There is more of a learning curve to master the mechanics for this game, but if you do, you'll have a much more realistic cooking experience. The haptic feedback for this game is excellent, right down to the resistance given by different foods when you go to slice them. The mechanics overall were really good and really smooth, and there are only a couple of awkward moments around the oven. There's tons of foods, herbs, liquids, recipes and utensils to choose from, as well as 2 different kitchen designs. And there's also a leaderboard mode so you can compare your times to others. But of course my favourite mode has to be the sandbox mode, where you can choose to create or destroy, and that is just pure genius. If you like the look of this simulator game, then check out Thief Simulator next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.